To make great coffee at home, your grinder is so much more important than your coffee machine. And with the Eureka Mignon, you'll get yourself an excellent coffee grinder. It will produce a consistent and fine grind every time you use it, and that will make for a better press. This is because the water can pass evenly and smoothly around the grinds. The coffee is not going to clump together, which can easily happen with cheaper models. With this Eureka Mignon, you will also get an elegantly designed and beautiful piece for your kitchen that you will be proud to display next to your coffee machine. This classic Italian design will feel at home in any beautiful kitchen. The Eureka Mignon is also very easy to use thanks to this touchscreen interface. You can choose between a single dose, a double dose, or a continuous grind. This machine is especially designed for espresso, but it will also work very well for regular filter coffee. You can also adjust the fineness of the grind from extremely fine to coarse. Another benefit that will become important when you bring this machine to your home is that it is very quiet. You can use it in the morning even when other people in the same house are still sleeping and they won't be woken up by this grinder. The machine is very sturdy. It's actually also physically very heavy. It's going to stay in one place. This is a quality Italian brand and they only use high quality parts. With the Eureka Mignon, you will get yourself a fantastic coffee grinder. Learn more about the features, availability, and pricing with a link in the video description below. Click or tap the screen right here to learn more about that excellent espresso machine that you saw in the video. That is the Breville Duo Temp. It's a high-end machine that is simultaneously easy to use for beginners. So check out that video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.